Parking the van. Hopping in Zach's car. She's got the 4x4. So I hopped into Zach's, what car is this?
Like Pathfinder.
Hopped into Zach's Pathfinder. We are on a very, very rocky road right now. There's no shot in hell my van would ever make it up this. So we were making our way up to Whiskey Island Lake Trailhead. And it's a short hike, but I guess, yeah, if you don't have four-wheel drive, you can't make it up to this trailhead. And it looks pretty sick. So we've got a day of exploring the UINTAS mountain range and Wasatch forest. So it should be pretty sick. So we just parked a little bit further than the trailhead. The trailhead started like 0.2 miles down here, but down in this area where we are, it's just a bunch of FR roads, which I guess is just four-wheel drive roads. And the trailhead started back there, but the road kept going. So we came up and then these stopped us. So we just parked right here and are gonna send it up. So it should be a super short and easy hike, and we probably will have it to ourselves based on not seeing any cars near this place. Sick. If you see this little black line right here, that's the trail. This red line is us. So we're definitely off trail, and this is leading us not the right way. But this is what it's saying the trail is, and that totally does not look like a trail. It looks like a bunch of bushwhacking. So it does not look that dope. But we'll find it. I guess this kind of looks like a trail in some weird way. As you guys saw from the road, this is not that frequently traveled, and there's absolutely no trail. So we think Whiskey Island Lake is just below that peak right there. So we're just kind of going in that direction, trying to follow the trail. Looks like that right there is the island. Kind of hard to tell from here, but we're getting closer. Looks super sick. Definitely a dope spot, super clear water. It's like nice green, blue lake up there. Looks epic. So we just got some epic drone stuff. Hope you enjoyed that little montage of footage. Super, super cool high alpine lake. We have it completely to ourselves. All right, so we just made it back to the car. 2 hours car to car for that. The way down was pretty easy, but would definitely recommend downloading the offline maps if you're doing this. So you can at least like guide yourself through the bushes. Yeah, but now we're gonna head to Bald Mountain and hopefully summit it. It's about 5 p.m. so low on time, but we're gonna try to do it. I got ramen going. Zach's got his warming up with the thermos water. He's stinking up the trailhead with his tuna. Freaking disgusting. So we just ate. We are at Bald Mountain overpass pretty much, or Bald Mountain Path, and it's pretty much the trailhead to summit Bald Mountain. It's just under 12,000 feet. I think the trail cuts way over here and then runs along the ridgeline. It's late, but it's a pretty short trail. It's 2.7 miles round trip, so it should be pretty manageable. Just a lot of elevation, but I think we're gonna send it and then call it a day after that. Right off the bat, this hike is straight up. We're starting practically at 11,000 feet. Really hard to breathe up here. Whew, at least it's short. So we just hit this switchback. It was the main switchback. And now we're coming up the backside of Bald Mountain. Way up there. Really short and easy, but brutally steep. So we made it. Zach is right there. Hard to see him. This is my first summit since my really bad accident. It's only like class 2, but holy shit does this feel good. Hyped to be back out here. Even more hyped that there's no snow. So 11,943 feet. We are at the summit. It took 45 minutes. Super grueling uphill battle of 45 minutes. It's so worth it. It'll probably be a much easier down climb. But just finding out that this mountain range existed a week ago, it is unbelievable. Just got some really sick drone stuff. Just waiting for Zach to come down to where I'm at, and then we're probably gonna send it down pretty quick and call it a day. I don't know if I'll be able to actually get all this, but I'm gonna try and count the lakes. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Probably a few small ones I missed. If you count a different amount, put it in the comments. So we made it to Lily Lakes to end the day. I'm gonna go to town on this bag salad. I think Zach's got some bagels. But I think that sums up the High Uintas Wilderness for today. We had a pretty busy day. Awesome, beautiful area near Salt Lake City. If you're around, definitely come explore. This place is sick. Anyways, see you guys on the next video.